nervous. I think
He never looks nervous
but he's not invested in any women.
That's why he can be so chill and relaxed.
Yeah, he's so chill.
Why would he be like this unless he was a money catcher, right?
저는 정체가
Love?
Money.
But he looks so relaxed.
He's just a good money.
I think he's better than Sooji.
원이지만 바꿀 의향이 있습니다.
But willing to change.
The way he says it is like I haven't done anything wrong. Taehyun be like, oh, that's exactly my life.
바꿀 의향이
Yeah, no one's gonna be like, I'm a 100%.
No one's buying this shit, guys.
He looks like I could never forgive you.
속 시원하게 발표했습니다.
Wow. Everyone goes up for the
Smoking time. Taehyuk, it's time for you to
It's
swoop
your
in.
time. Yep.
Time to shine.
It's your cue.
많이 미안해하고 있어.
She just exposed a money catcher.
Yeah, it's good for her.
보면서 뭐 성격을 그래도 조금이라도
So the earlier
안다고
to know, the better.
생각하거든. 내 스스로가 다 같이 있는 자리에서 내가 아무리 의심을 하고
But
있어.
it's your only chance to expose a money catcher.
제가
But that's the point of this game.
조금
He doesn't need to be sorry. That was the point of the game, to
Yeah,
expose one
someone was
money
gonna be
catcher.
exposed.
이심이었던 것 같아요.
I don't think so.
He's too sweet.
진짜 순수하다.
He feels a
Yeah,
little.
so
he feels a little bit too guilty.
He's so pure. He's definitely in love.
언니야,
나는 그냥 이게 공정히 미안함이 그런 게 전혀 아니고 오빠도 뭔가 다른 사람이랑의 러브라인을
Oh, she's
좀
rejecting him already?
해볼 수도 있는 기회도
Yeah.
있었을 텐데 그렇게 하는 게 좀
I think she's really, really invested.
아니야.
And she doesn't really have room for him anymore. And it's like this is the second last day.
그런 건 조금 많이 고맙고.
Oh my god, look at all the shopping bags.
Swimming.
It's the moment.
어머.
She's gonna like it.
나 좋아한다.
She likes it.
Really? You like that?
네, 예쁜 수영복이 많아가지고
It's a black deep cut
갖고 싶어요.
one piece
이거 너무 예쁜데?
bikini.
Okay. Good on you, Sambam.
좋아해.
그러니까
Good for her. Yeah, good for him as well.
선물은 이거예요.
Oh, what the?
Okay.
That was a little weird, dude. That was a little like sauce.
Let me
Like,
wear it to sleep.
보려고 나는 그 마음도 너무 예쁜
I
거야.
think couple shirts is such a big statement because it's like, it's not just in the show, it's like after the show, you know?
oh my god, Yongho didn't get her book, dude. Dude, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
This is the poetry.
She's crying. She's like so emotional. It's the singles
God.
inferno moment when you read a book and you cry and then you change your heart. I had
Yo,
enough
is this like the secret?
weapon?
This
The
is like the
report!
ultimate.
The report! Everyone loves a good report.
Is Ryder actually like secretly like OP?
Yeah.
Crying. She's sobbing.
You did a good essay. It's A+.
Oh my god.
잘 해주시니까
Well, now she actually feels guilty.
Can
마음 움직였나?
너무 예뻐.
Oh my god, she
This is the
initiated.
first time.
하고 싶어도 되는데. 괜찮아?
Oh my god, this is like a whole like
이따
like formal for high school.
Why
girls.
does he screw up every single moment, dude?
오빠가 원이 캡처일 거라고 처음부터 생각을 했어.
But it was actually the
오빠가
chef.
나를
Right. On the first day. Yeah.
비밀을 봐.
Right.
그게 오빠라고 생각하고 있었어 지금까지.
This is so
Is this a lying gesture when you like cover your mouth a
for
lot?
her,
근데 오늘 이제 뭔가 오빠가
dude.
뭔가 머니 캡처가 아닐 수도 있겠다는 생각을
Sooji.
진짜 처음 하게
Is she still whining him into her universe?
Sooji's like
진짜 웃긴 게 뭔지 알아? 나 호스트 너가 불렀다고 생각했다.
아 진짜?
So it doesn't matter even if you're money.
대체야. 근데도 난 계속 선택하고 있었어.
Yeah, this is meant to be.
네가 원인
This is his
suicide.
defense. This is his
그건 상관이 없어.
strength of his like. How do I put it?
Symptom.
Exactly right. This is the only thing he has going for him. Like this is the only argument that he can make, like in his own defense. And it's like,
때까지는 러브캐처라고 생각하고 좀 봐줘도 될 것 같아.
wait, what?
난 동의선상에서 출발한.
He's basically inviting her to use him to get the money.
No, this whole story about how I think you're a money catcher is 100%. So she has an alibi for why she's treating him like a dog, right? Like it's because it looks bad if it's like she's a money catcher, she thinks he's a love catcher, and she's just doing that, right? Like it makes her look evil, right?
How about you put it on for me? Being honest? Oh my god, those words gonna hurt.
해제되고 바로 갔거든.
Oh no, is she gonna confess?
아니 고맙어.
뭐야?
When she still can't submit the form now.
I don't
She
know how
probably
the
want to like change ASAP.
채워주더라고.
She better just tell him as early as possible.
surely she feels like she got it. I feel like she'll.
나 잠깐 카드 볼 동안 좀 도망가 있을게.
Oh no, does she confess in the letter?
Oh,
No, I don't think so.
I hope.
That would be crazy. That would be wild.
다이어리를 선물해줄게.
Oh, wait.
He got a matching necklace.
Oh, hey, it look. Well, only Sooro can pull this off. Can I just say that?
He's
God,
quite
look at-
stylish.
Look at this. Who can pull
Yeah.
off?
Yeah, I have
gotta
never
be-
seen any guy wore that.
I know. To
It
be
looks
honest,
good. I like
was
it.
scared. Thanks for picking up the courage.
It's because he's a model. Like basically can wear anything,
Yeah.
and it looks good.
That's
Thanks
the
for
definition of
saying
model.
it's okay and giving me a try.
야, 그냥 옆에 있고
I
싶다.
just want to stay by your side.
오늘부터 1일이야.
부러운데.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
And
From
another
who?
one. Of course, Dimple. Ooh.
Oh no.
승현한테 마음이 없진 않아.
Nah, I don't think so.
That clutching is like not a good sign.
I think his feeling towards her is pure guilt.
너가
Yeah.
어떤 존재여도
Wow.
Yo.
Oh my god. Everything's so princessy. Oh my god. Look, I can see the love heart in his eyes.
Uh-huh.
진짜 처음에 와 완전 다르게 내가 이렇게 이런 말을 뱉다니
Will you marry me?
That's what. Yo, that's
되게 치밀
that's what it's
Right?
like. He's leading into.
Yeah.
I can see he's actually invested. Poor
나
dude.
이제 얼마 안 남았어.
He's a love, right? Now we
Yeah.
can no.
Nah, he can need money, but he will split the money.
No. Now we know Chef is money, Taehyuk is
Taehyuk's
money,
money.
Sooji
is
money.
money.
That's all the three monies.
Good point.
1초도 안 바뀌고
I don't see love in her eyes. Oh my god. I can't believe how someone doesn't see it. Oh my god. Away from the money. Away from my money.
그러니까
Dude, she's never had like an authentic
이유를
Yeah.
emotional moment. Like she just looks like a playgirl.
그냥 너무
She always look like
너무 좋으니까
반지를 주나요?
Will you marry me?
이 마음을 담아서 드리고 싶은 게 있습니다.
아 진짜요?
네 손을
She's only 21 and got
My
proposed.
god. She can't believe the first time she got
She's like-
proposed is here.
Her life flashing before her eyes.
Is he actually gonna get down on his knees?
He's
고민이야?
oh my gosh. That would be such a power.
근데 오빠 있잖아. 나
Something else. Must be something else.
뒤에 또 약속이 있어가지고
Okay.
Yeah. She's not going to expose that easily.
가야 될 것 같아.
She wants to decide after meeting both of them.
모르겠어.
Wow.
끼워봐 끼워봐 그리고
Do
빨리
you think that
빨리
if she authentically likes Songbum, there's also this
wouldn't need to
incentive?
wait.
No, but there's also this incentive for her
네 번째
not to not to go with him. If she thinks that the other person will be upset, right? Ultimately, more upset to find out that she's money catcher, she would rather disappoint Yongho. Yongho, who has explicitly said that he doesn't even care. Oh my god, he already did it.
He forced it on her finger.
Oh my god.
Proposal
Ring finger.
That was like.
진행되고 있다고 생각하셨어요.
Now
no.
she's trapped.
한번 시간을 갖고 결정하실 건가요?
Yo, no way she.
한 거야.
시가 컸어. 시가 문제.
아, 시가 컸어.
No, dude, no. Guys, can we stop pretending that Sooji like is about this? Like, she's not thinking on that level.
Oh, this is cute. Wow.
조금씩 계속 마음이 엄청
I think this is all a construction as to like
막 계속 그랬.
when she wins as a money catcher, what is a situation that makes her look less evil? This is completely. I mean, come on, like all her body language, everything has been so neutral towards like both of them.
Yeah, true.
나한테도 의미가 있는 거니까.
응원도 신나.
진짜 너무 의미 있었지.
Oh my god,
It was
dude.
like a blank face. It was so
Yeah,
meaningful.
it was so meaningful.
아 이거 아이스크림 이런 거 없나?
What?
원래 이런 거 막 아이스크림에다 넣어가지고 해야 되지 않아?
What?
Oh.
Yo, he remembered to bring the book. I like that.
받으면 될것 같은데? 내가
He's
뭐
like a.
허락을 안 받아서 끼우지는 못하겠고.
맞습니다.
Is she going to accept?
He just straight up assumes that she won't put it on. She's like, do you have a pocket?
But see, like this can be more appealing for someone like Sooji because don't you think Sambam is being more pushy?
Oh yeah.
Like if I
Like
were
that
just
one-
like,
But that's he's just a.
he forced it.
Yeah,
on her
it was a
fingers.
little. It
When she
was.
said that, can I take it later?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
just like, just put it on, just put it on. Oh my god.
And so that's why I think Sooji very likely may choose Yongho because he can be more comfortable to be around with a one night. So imagine spending one night with Sambam. He would just be like staring at you all night. I don't mind Yongho. Like I like what he did here.
가자.
I mean, he's got no other
Oh my
option.
god, he didn't even ask for her ring. It's meant to be an exchange. He didn't even like ask if he can have her ring.
At this point, he might as well just give up.
In Yongho's
Yongho
head,
is like
he
very
already
depressed.
he already assumed he is not gonna go with Sooji. So
No, I reckon he's like this now because he got the confidence. Because this is the moment where if you have no chance, no option, you just wouldn't get this chance. She would have just given the ring.
No. I think he thinks
What?
he has no chance, and this is just a charity date.
Charity day.
민망했어.
No.
Yeah, they two are definitely going.
그래서
근데 난 또 너무 신선하고 설레고 좋았어.
Oh my god. Taehyuk. Kiss.
You're cute to kiss.
Right? Now look, it's definitely a pause before kiss.
Yeah. It's the sex eyes.
난 너가 그렇게 볼 때마다
I want to
뭔가
kiss you.
이야기를 해야 될 것 같긴 한데.
I feel like I need to do something.
This is he wants to.
아 방금 했네. 끊었네.
아 평생 뗐네.
That's what I want to believe.
근데 내가
Confirmed.
그런 말이 필요하나 싶기도 해.
She feels really sorry, I think.
It's a ticking bomb in her
Ken,
heart.
you should just
Yeah.
say it.
She's got it weighing on her.
마음이 어떨까 지금 원인데.
그런 거 같진 않아 나는. 너가 헷갈리는 게 있으면 언제든지 대답할 수 있는 것 같고 거짓말하지 않는 사람이 된 것 같고. 그래서
Callisto, are you? Callisto.
How about you?
Oh my god, I got sucked.
오늘도 나랑 같이 보내자.
No.
That's so.
내가
Get
껴줄까?
down on your knees.
Nah, that's too much.
That's
too
too
cheesy.
much.
Yeah.
모르겠습니다. 안 날 수도 있어.
Yo, it's like they're
How
engaged.
can that
right?
not look engaged?
I know.
They two are basically like, hey kids, we're back.
잘했어요 데이트?
She's so cute. I said yes.
That's so cute.
Can I see that again? Just so cute.
잘했어요 데이트?
They're so extra.
That's so
디디? 좋은데? 너는 그거 아직 번지평 안 했어?
편지? 저는 아직 안 줬고
오빠는 줬어?
네,
너희
저
오빠는?
받긴 받았어요.
그래서 너는 생각해본다 했어?
말을요? 네.
Just money catcher
Come
things.
money catcher small talk.
Money catcher small talk.
데이트 잘 하고 왔어? 아무도 나도 관심 있는 사람이 없고 그랬으면 진짜 더 우울하고 재미없었을 것 같거든. 너한테 관심이 생기고 좋아하게 돼가지고
That makes my whole journey more meaningful.
I think in a game like this, there's an incentive to like someone, because otherwise you'll be so damn
진짜
bored.
다행이라고 생각했어.
Yeah, unless you
Yeah,
are money catcher.
and it's true. Like if you
내가
cannot,
좋아하는 사람이 생기는
if you actually just don't have a second choice, it's more awkward to like force something with someone that you don't care about for no reason than it is to just do something that's doomed. Like it's so bad to do something that's doomed, but they're kind of forced into the situation.
마음이 생기고 좋아하게 돼가지고
Thank you for the memory. I love this BGM, by the way.
진짜 진심으로 재밌었어.
I think she fought well.
나한테 자꾸 하던 상관없어.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
She gave it her all.
나도 이제 와서 말하는 거지만 거절을 매번 하는 게 정말 쉬운 게 아니야.
Over and over
매번
again.
너한테 그런 말을 하고 그런 말을 한 사람이 되고 근데 내가 그렇게 거절했다고 해서 절대 너가 못난 사람인 것도 아닌
Oh
거야.
my god, he's such a.
알아.
That's such a perfect thing to say.
Guys, that's a template of rejection. We have to remember now. Yeah.
너가 그냥 여기 있었을 때 너가 말한 이유로 재미가 있었다면 행복했다면 너무
Wow. When people Google how to reject someone, this should come up as the top result.
고마웠어.
And he did it really well. Like he did it
Yeah.
without leading her on. He was never ambiguous about it, which is so hard to do.
Yeah.
예쁘다.
Oh, she did it well.
She's cute.
She did it well. She did it well.
그러고 할까?
기분 좋으신가요?
네,
저도요.
진짜 좋아요. 뭐라고 하려던 거 아니었어?
So he's
They
gonna
gotta
receive a
reveal.
phone call at the hotel.
They've got to reveal at some point on this trip. Oh my god.
When you clench hands like that, that's pretty official.
나도 원래 뭔가 내 감정을 살짝 설명적인 사람은 아니거든. 누구냐면 좋으면 좋다, 싫으면 싫다인데 이상하게 나는 정말 많이 설렜던 것 같아.
My god, I can watch them for hours.
왜 설레는 순간들이 너무 많았어.
Oh, this is the ultimate confession.
Yes. Oh my god.
You make my heart flutter multiple times a day.
형들이 나한테 둘 다 뭐니어야 돼.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's poking.
No, he brings it up like
Quite a lot
like
now.
every day.
Oh.
왜?
우리 둘 중에 한 명이 뭐니라고 확신해. 나도 재밌게 본다. 재미없어.
진짜 재미없다.
야, 너 뭐니
Oh,
재미없어.
Just be happy a little longer.
진짜
But
재미없어.
they kind
안
of
웃는다.
they kind of handle this pretty good. They play around.
Yeah.
You want to believe that their connection is like deeper than like
Yeah.
the game, right?
Yeah, exactly.
진짜 피하고 싶었던 대화 주제일 거야.
It's their paradise moment.
That's right.
That's exactly.
It's
What's that little bed above the water?
A pool.
Oh my god, that little
Oh,
tree house.
they'll be spending the night
They're
like
gonna spend the night there.
yeah, right.
This is so nice.
I mean,
Sooro can't control it under his pants anymore.
if they weren't on camera,
Yeah.
like yeah, exactly what he said.
Yeah.
Checking all the cameras.
Yeah, he's trying to figure out like where can we like
Where's
not
the
be on
blind
camera?
spot?
Where's the safe zone?
그렇네.
They're totally gonna jump on the same bed tonight.
좀
We'll have to do it in the shower.
아팠고 일단 침대가 하나면 어떡하지 하면서 걱정을 하면서 갔지만 두 개여서 정말 다행이었고
Really?
뭔데?
Some disruptive shit. They've had their 5 minutes of like passion. It's over. This is the chance. She's like, fuck yes.
태연 씨의 진짜 좀 그때부터 궁금해지기 좀 시작했어요. 이 사람은 과연 머니일까 러브일까? 맨날
Why are they not in swimsuits already?
Because he would pass out.
애기 이름 지었잖아.
Just I don't know. Sooro Tae-eun.
하나 둘.
He's so head over heels.
김태민으로 지었어. 김윤수로 최태훈 미니.
Yo, this is like. Okay, come on. Surely now, like.
넘어갔어 미안해.
Oh my god.
No, it's okay. See, like only you have to establish to some level to make this joke.
난 지금 이렇게
Nothing. I reckon nothing can break them now. No game, no call can break them.
결혼했어요?
Even it's the end of the world tomorrow.
Oh my god.
그냥
Because they're on camera, but they can't like. Come on. This is about to like go from PG to like.
I forgive them for turning off the camera.
친구라.
Please turn off the camera
Yeah.
and just do it.
Oh wow.
이런 홀리데이인 줄 알았어.
Whoa.
허니문?
Honeymoon?
Oh my God,
Yes.
dude. Yeah, right. Okay, dude.
그동안 어땠어? 발리에서의 시간들이?
난 솔직히 이렇게 좋을 줄 몰랐거든? 근데 그건 너가 있었기 때문이겠지?
That's a little bit.
뭔가 우리는 되게 금방 뜻대로 잘 흘러갔잖아.
That's a bit of a money catcher flag.
하고 있는 사람들한테는 이 모든 것들을 그냥 게임으로 접근한다라는 생각이 들었거든. 러브는 그게 아니잖아.
술 만나.
What?
술 만난다고? 예민한데?
Suddenly
근데 난 되게 감사한 거 같았어.
change topic to the food.
확실하게 교류가 있으니까.
He's
믿고
like
있으니까.
confess
She
early.
busted. She's busted.
Yeah, she's busted. Yeah.
Suddenly,
Too obvious.
Dude, don't be busted.
Taeyeon.
I think she like collapsed at this moment.
Maybe she has already changed.
태연이가 만약에 머니잖아.
Oh, don't say some shit. Oh my god, don't say that, dude.
진짜 못 믿겠다.
Oh, don't say that.
누구에게도 정을 줄 수.
No! No, this is. I don't like this.
I'm okay with that.
I think
It's
they
fair
two will
enough.
have a happy ending. I believe. That's so fucking cool. That's the cool.
This is the cool.
전화를 받은 당신에게만 상대의 정체를 확인할 수 있는
A
기회를
chance
드립니다.
to learn. So he can say no or yes.
He will take it.
Yeah, he will take it.
불안해한다 불안해.
Yo, she feels like that was probably the call.
룸 서비스.
Of course.
룸 서비스.
He can't lie as well.
What the? Yo, room service doesn't call you first. Oh my god.
She wouldn't be that surprised anyway.
Is he gonna leave it?
You're like,
What is
when is
this?
she gonna get the chance to change?
아시겠습니까?
Anyways,
He must knew.
갈수록 좀 더 궁금해지는 것 같아. 그래서 나도. 그래서 궁금하지 않았던 너의 정체도 모든 것들.
Guys, it's just a game.
선택을 했어.
She's gonna change.
너가 어떤 선택을 하든 나를 존중할 수 있을 것 같아.
처음부터 지금까지
Everything.
거짓이었던 적은 없었던 것 같아.
This is the most perfect ending. It's like like those drama that the beautiful spy turned back to her country. I think they will have the most happy ending.
Yeah.
Because he had expectation is so low now, and then she changed her identity.
Plus, they always had the mindset that we don't care about each other's identity.
That's the moral of the story.
And that's the thing. That's the reason why I think he won't check.